morning, Grandma.
Good morning, dear. Here's some water.
Thanks, Grandma.
Ready for harvest day?
Let's go, team! What a beautiful morning.
Wow, look at the rice fields.
It's a beautiful harvest day.
Let's go see.
A good day for family.
Wow, the water's so clear.
It is. Be careful, son.
He has your sense of wonder, just like when you were little.
I love it here.
Watch how I do it, son.
I want to try, Mom.
Here, use your hands like this. Good work, everyone.
Such a wonderful harvest. I did it!
Very good. Nice and slow.
You are becoming a great helper.
Every farmer begins this way.
I want to cut another one.
Tie them tightly. Teamwork makes everything easier.
I can carry this one.
Excellent job. You are getting stronger. Push together.
1, 2, 3.
Slow and steady.
This cart is so big.
Let's bring the rice to the thresher.
We're almost finished.
These are the last bundles. Then it's time for lunch. Lunch is ready! Come and eat! Great job, everyone! Let's eat! Please eat while the food is still warm. I hope everyone enjoys it.
Everything is so delicious. I'm really hungry after working in the field.
Sharing this meal together is the best part of the day.